Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Ranger key battery step by step. Start by removing the emergency key blade using the Release tab, then open the fob seam with a small flat screwdriver, keeping pressure steady to avoid cracking the case. Pry gently along the seam until the halves separate, remove the old battery noting its orientation, and have the replacement CR2032 ready for installation. With the fob open, take a deep breath and move slowly so nothing springs free unexpectedly. Slide the small flat screwdriver into the seam and apply gentle leverage to pop the clips, easing along the perimeter until the case opens fully. Keep track of the circuit board and any foam pads, and observe the battery orientation so you can place the new CR2032 exactly the same way on reassembly. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The book seen here, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money and makes for great light reading while you wait for replacement parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab your battery, and now let's get back to the video. Carefully lift the old battery out and set it aside for proper recycling. Then press the new CR2032 into the battery pocket with the same polarity shown earlier. Reposition any foam or the circuit board so everything sits flush. Then align the case halves and press firmly until you hear the clips click back into place. Test the buttons and the remote start if applicable, and reinsert the emergency key blade when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.